everyone, it's Margie from the Westchester Children's Museum once again to do a super fun activity with you this week. And it's been so hot outside. So today we're going to do a really fun activity where you create a fun treat. So this one's going to help cool you down a little bit. Have you ever had a slush or a slushie? Perhaps you've seen them made in a blender, and it takes a little bit, right? Well, do you think that you can make a slushie on your own with just some fun juice, salt, and some ice? Salt. I don't know if that would taste really good, but we're going to use salt. What do you think the salt's for? So let's get ready to make our fun slush or slushie. So what you need to make your slushie is just a few things, and I kind of told you what they were, but let's just go over it anyway. So what you need, actually, you need a couple plastic baggies. You need Ziplocs that you can close tightly. You need one that's a quart size. You need one that's a gallon size. You actually need some ice. You need a measuring cup and a tablespoon. You need some of your favorite juice, and I happen to really love pink lemonade. And you need some salt. And that's what you need to get started. So let's get started making our slushie, and so we can cool down a little bit in this hot weather. Okay, so let's get started making our slushie, and we don't have to use a blender, and we don't have to use a spoon either. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is you want to take your favorite juice and you want to pour 1 cup of your juice into a measuring cup. Then you want to take your quart size plastic bag and pour the juice in. Now you have to make sure these are sealed really tightly, and I also put a towel down just in case. This could get messy if for some reason your bag leaks. So let's pour that in. Okay. I'm going to seal it tightly and let it sit there for a second. Next, what you want to do is you want to take 6 tablespoons of salt, and you want to measure that out. Now I put it in a cup, and you want to pour it inside with your baggie, your gallon baggie, with 6 to 8 cups of ice. So I'm going to pour that in, and you want to shake that around a little bit. Shake it, 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 so all the salt goes all over in the bag. Next, what you want to do is you want to put your liquid inside. And then it's time to shake it up. Now you may need to put on some oven mitts, because it gets really cold. So now let's start to shake it up. We're going to shake it up. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 and we're going to keep shaking. So you keep shaking. This could take about 5 minutes of shaking. There is our slushie. Look at that. Wow. Now it's time for us to put it into a cup. And let's enjoy. So I put my slushie in a cup and a straw, and here we go. That is so good and so refreshing. So I have a couple challenges for you with making your slushies. So what do you think will happen if you add double the amount of salt? So add 12 tablespoons of salt. Do you think it'll still work and make your slushie? Maybe you can make different flavors and layer them. That could be fun too. What happens if you use less salt? Will it still work? I wonder if soda would work. So try some of these challenges and enjoy your slushie. So what happened and why? Why was the salt so important in doing this activity? So actually the salt lowers the freezing point of the ice cubes, and they stay colder longer. And actually what happens is the ice will pull away the heat from anything that it's surrounding. And it was surrounding our juice. And that's actually what created our slushie. So the salt is very important in this activity. But choosing a juice with sugar in it is also important, because the sugar actually acts like an antifreeze. So before your juice freezes, those water and sugar molecules bond together. And that's what helps in making your slushie. So have a great day. It's Margie from the Westchester Children's Museum. Once again, I am so happy to be here with you, and I love doing these activities with you. Please come visit our website with all the fabulous online programs we have on Facebook Live, on YouTube. So please come join us. And it's Margie again. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Enjoy your slushie. Bye.